What is the sales funnel? Beginner's guide to more leads and sales. Oh boy. Have you ever felt like you've been throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping something sticks? You post on social media, you send emails, you do a little dance on TikTok, or maybe that's just me. And yet, crickets. Where are the leads? Where are the sales? Why does your business feel like a ghost town? Why does your website feel like a ghost town? That's exactly what we're going to fix today, because today we're talking about sales funnels. And don't worry, even if that sounds super complicated or like something only techie marketing wizards use, I promise by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it, but you'll be excited to build one for your business. All right, quick break. If you're a business owner, a coach, entrepreneur who's tired of figuring out all this marketing stuff on your own, I've got great news for you. My team and I offer 100% done for you, high converting sales funnel that bring you leads and sales like clockwork. And the best part, when you book a complimentary consultation at www.digitalmarketingcertified.com or hit the link next to this video, you'll also get a free copy of my book, Digital Marketing Certified. Don't miss out. Go grab your spot now. If you're serious about growing your business online and want more leads and sales, do me a favor, hit the like button so more people can see this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the future game-changing tips that we drop here. All right, let's get to it. Let me take you back to 2004. I was fresh out of college, bright-eyed, and ready to take on the world. One of my best friends told me about this first-time home buyer seminar. Sounded interesting, right? So I went, and that little seminar sent me down a rabbit hole that led to me making over $3 million in revenue. Then 2008 happened. If you know, you know. The market crashed, my business crumbled, and I had to start all over. But you know what saved me? Digital marketing. I mastered it, and it's been the one skill that has paid me consistently ever since. In fact, I even wrote a book about it called Digital Marketing Certified. And again, I'll tell you how to get it for free at the end of this video. So stick around. All right, back to sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? Imagine you own a bakery and you make the best cupcakes in town. If you just set up shop and hope people walk in, you might get lucky. But if you actually guide people from discovering your bakery to buying your cupcakes and becoming lifelong customers, now you've got a system. A sales funnel is that system. It's the journey a potential customer takes from first hearing about you to becoming a paying customer, and ideally a raving fan who tells all their friends about you and your business. Here's a simple way to break it down. 1. Awareness. This is where people first discover you. Maybe they see your ad, your Instagram post, or a video like this one. They might stumble upon your blog while searching for solutions, hear about you from a friend, or even find you through a viral post. This stage is all about visibility. If people don't know you exist, they can't buy from you. That's why content marketing, paid ads, social media, and SEO all play a huge role here. You want to make sure you are showing up in the right places where your ideal customers are already hanging out. 2. Interest. Now that people know you exist, they start getting curious. They want to know more. Maybe they click on your website, watch a few of your videos, or check out your Instagram stories. This is the point where they start engaging with your content on a deeper level. They might download your free lead magnet, like my book, Digital Marketing Certified, sign up for your webinar, or read your blog post. This is where you capture their contact information and start building a relationship. The key here is value. If your content is helpful, educational, or entertaining, they'll stick around and want more. But if you bore them or come across as too pushy, they will disappear faster than free snacks at a networking event. 3. Decision. Now, this is where things get serious. The potential customer is considering making a purchase, but they need reassurance. They start looking at reviews, comparing pricing, and checking out testimonials. They might even ask their network for recommendations or search for case studies to see if your offer actually works. This is why social proof is crucial. If you have past customers raving about you, now's the time to showcase it. A well-placed testimonial, a powerful success story, or even a money-back guarantee can be the difference between someone saying, "Let me think about it," and "I'm in." People want to feel confident in their decision, so make it easy for them to trust you by being transparent and showcasing real results. 4. Action. The moment has finally arrived. Your lead has considered all the options, read the reviews, weighed the pros and cons, and now they're ready to make a purchase. This is where all your hard work in nurturing the relationship pays off. It's time for the customer to take action and click that buy now button, sign up for your service, or book that consultation. But even though this is a major milestone, it's not the end of the journey. This is just the beginning of their relationship with your brand. Once they make the purchase, you want to ensure the experience is smooth, seamless, and delightful. The key here is to make them feel like they made the right decision and even offer them some immediate value post-purchase, like a thank you email, an onboarding guide, or exclusive bonuses. This helps reinforce their decision and sets the stage for long-term customer loyalty. 5. Loyalty and advocacy. A happy customer or client is worth their weight in gold, and not just because they'll return to buy from you again, but because they'll sing your praises to everyone they know. When you've created a memorable experience for your customer, they'll keep coming back for more, and over time they'll become an advocate for your brand. They'll refer new customers, leave glowing reviews, and share your content with their network, essentially becoming your personal marketing army. This is the true power of loyalty. It's not just about repeat sales, it's about turning your customers into passionate fans who believe in your brand and actively help you grow your business. To foster this kind of loyalty, consistently provide exceptional customer service, offer value beyond the sale, and continue nurturing your relationship with them. If you treat your customers like VIPs, they'll treat your business like the best thing they've ever found. Why do you need a sales funnel? Without one, you're leaving money on the table. Imagine a customer walked into your bakery, sniffed around, and then walked right out because no one invited them to try a free sample. A good funnel makes sure they don't just window shop. It guides them to buy and keeps them coming back for more. Now, if this is making sense so far, drop a "got it" in the comment so I know you're with me. How to build your first sales funnel. You don't need $1 million budget or a fancy tech team. You just need a simple system that moves people from "who is this" to "take my money." Here's how. 1. Start with a free offer. Lead magnets. People don't just give their email addresses for nothing. Offer them something valuable, like a free checklist, an ebook, a book, wink, hello, like this one, or a discount code. 2. Capture their information. Use a landing page where they enter their email in exchange for your freebie. This is your first step in building a relationship with them. 3. Follow up with emails. People rarely buy the first time they hear about you. That's why email follow-ups are crucial. A good sequence nurtures them, builds trust, and gently nudges them toward buying. 4. Make the sale. Once they are warmed up, offer your product or service. Make it irresistible. Add testimonials, limited time bonuses, or special pricing. 5. Upsell and build loyalty. Ever noticed how McDonald's asks, "Would you like fries with that?" That's an upsell. If someone buys your basic package, offer them a premium version and keep them engaged with more value over time. Sounds easy, right? That's because it is. When you have a system in place, then if you're thinking, "Ola, this sounds great, but I don't have time to build all this," Good news, we do it for you. Our team specializes in 100% done for you, high converting lead and sales funnel. If you're ready to scale your business and get more leads and sales without the headache, book a complimentary consultation with me and my team at www.digitalmarketingcertified.com. The link is also in the description or around this video. Plus, when you book, you get a free copy of my book, Digital Marketing Certified. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make with sales funnel so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, trying to sell too soon. You wouldn't propose marriage on the first date, right? Then why ask someone to buy before they even know you? Give value first. Mistake number 2, not following up 80% of your sales happen after the 5th follow-up. If you stop after 1 email, you're losing money. Automate your follow-ups. Mistake number 3, not optimizing your funnel. If you set up your funnel and forget it, you're missing out. Always tweak and test to improve conversions. All right, we've covered a lot, but I have to ask you, what part of building a sales funnel do you struggle with the most? Drop a comment below. I read every single one and would love to help. And don't forget, if you're ready to get the high converting sales funnel done for you, grab your complimentary consultation at www.digitalmarketingcertified.com and get your free copy of Digital Marketing Certified. Hit like if you found this valuable, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you never miss out on future content. See you in the next one.